Mike and I have decided to come here to Mexico, and we're just going to do a couple little roll-ons. Yep. Now, 2, 3. There's Mike without his gear on. Say hi, Mike. We just made a little trip to Mexico. Had a couple roll-ons. Second gear, 30, 40 mile an hour up to, you know, fifth gear or so. I got my butt kicked. I don't like it. I'm upset right now. I'm going to do everything I can to fix it. See what happens. Baseline run. We'll usually do 3 baseline runs, same day, same time. We'll see exactly what this bike has got in it right now, and then we'll start making changes to see if we can take some of that 10 bike gap back to a 5 bike gap, back to a no bike gap, back to Mike getting his ass whooped is where he needs to be with me riding that bike. Let's see if we can accomplish that. But first, let's get these dyno runs out of the way. Okay, well, that was good. If you guys look, I was a little tentative on the first run. I wanted to make sure everything was okay, so I chopped the gas just a little bit early. That didn't affect really the peak horsepower numbers. You can see here, it looks like run number 1 is the best horsepower. That's exactly what we needed to know on this bike, so we've got a good base. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and just go straight into the ECU flash. And Mike, you handled it yesterday. Mm-hmm. I've done it also with Brendan on the with the 2020 BMW. So basically, the procedure is really simple. You want to grab the handheld, and we'll just sort of walk through it.
All right, right in the ECU completed. It's just making a log file of what it's just done, and we should be ready to rock and roll.
Is a seat. One word. Wow. We just jumped to 210 horsepower, and damn, I gotta tell you, I'm impressed. I didn't think it was in there through that stock exhaust. So yeah, this might be a really interesting project that we've stumbled onto here. ZH2 guys, we now offer swing arm extensions.